Well, I guess you can say I got in a little bit of a hurry. Hey, this is Brett. Brett and Cindy's Tea and Living. I caught a good dry day the other day. Saturday it stayed fair weather. Sunday the sun kind of shined and kind of dried things out. And I got in here and tilled me a spot. Thought I was going to do some good. But the rain just kept pushing back in Sunday evening. Me and Cindy talked it over and decided we just cut it down just to a few things. I put out 10 lettuce plants, which is very muddy now because it started Sunday night and rained off and on since. But I've got 10 of my lettuce plants out. They're getting quite large in the little 6-pack trays. I've got a stand I built. Everybody's talking about putting covers. Well, last year before YouTube, I'd bought these fittings in PVC. 1/2-inch PVCs, $5 a stick, 20 foot of it. I found these red and blue fittings at Walmart. The 3-way fitting and the 4-way. They're $1 and something a piece. You have to order them online, but it makes a fairly good frame. Okay, to give you a closer look at these fittings. This is the 1/2-inch fitting I ordered from Walmart online. It makes a good top ridge. I can connect them together. Or you could lay it down, run them both ways. I use this one for the ends of my little tunnels. But you can turn it a lot of ways, do different things with it. Of course, regular old 90 and 45 Schedule 40 fittings from the hardware store. That gives you a lot of different options. You can cut your pipe different lengths, shape it to whatever shape it needs to be. As long as you can cover it with plastic, have at it, I guess. Have fun with it. Like I said, the fittings was cheap. I bought several of them. I can make a long one or I can make a wide one, or I guess you can make an L shape, whatever you wanted. Let your imagination run wild. This is my second year on them, so I guess they're well worth their money. I just built one out of 1/2-inch PVC. I push it in the ground a little bit. Of course, you can see my plastic I'm thinking put it back over it. I'll lay plastic over it and weight it down on both sides till this crazy weather passes again. Since I backed up on all the lettuce, I was wanting to plant a roll of it. I decided to get the onion sets out. I don't know if we can see them little things or not, but you can see the red tip sticking up. Them are red onions, or, well, some people call them purple onions. So I've got quite a few of them down through this roll. They're on the opposite ends of the onions. I planned that video of transferring the onions out here. It's been a while. They really hadn't grown that much, but they're still here. A lot of them still here. I'm missing a few. You can see one here and there. They're just so small. Cold weather and the rain, well, cloudy weather in general. We just hadn't had a good weather yet to grow anything. I just felt the need. I guess I had to get out and do something. I had to work my way towards getting the garden started. Hope you enjoyed this little update. Y'all have a good evening. God bless. You can see I got it covered up now. My little PVC frame's just strong enough to hold the plastic up. It's ribbed together. It should hold the wind better. In order to keep the frost off for a few cold nights, and hopefully our lettuce will grow because it'll hold the heat in too.